Bible Notes. An Introduction to Notes. The Bible Study app allows you to add a note to any bookmark or study pad. The note icon indicates that the bookmark has a note attached. Click the note icon to view the note. The verse dialog also indicates that a note exists. Click the icon to view the note. To edit a note, simply click the note itself. These notes support rich formatting similar to a normal document. Notes can be created in multiple ways. Add a note to an existing bookmark. Add a note to a new bookmark. Push the Note button on the verse dialog. This creates a new bookmark with the label Unlabeled. Enter your new note. Change the label by clicking the label name. Add a note to a study pad. To view all chapter notes, choose My Notes from the commentary list. To view every note, open the Bookmarks list. We hope you enjoy using our completely free Bible study app. Visit our website to discover how you can help us make it even better.